Yeah.
My church in Washington is a lot like that.
I'm telling you, man. And then I've even had I like that stuff. When I meet people, I will always.
Alright, folks, if we please have your attention for just a moment. We'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft.
Like, that's just crazy.
Yeah,
And actually,
Yes, it is a MAX 8 aircraft. Place the information card into the seat back of literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight, low, cross your hips, where anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors for overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. If evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant command and leave everything. This aircraft is also equipped with life rafts. We have 2 life rafts located at the forward ceiling compartment, 2 life rafts located at the ceiling compartment at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest if only told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're now coming by to check that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Once again, folks, we do need the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited for you to consume alcohol you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations do require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. You good back there, Kayla?
if you see, yeah, so the thing up here, it's not there. If you look up there, anytime you want to see how long you have to land, it's just up there. Oh, okay. No problem. Once we actually get up there, it's stuff I can set up for you. You can you want me to set yours up so it's ready whenever you free text and like WhatsApp and stuff. She got her audio notes.
Yeah, I know. I told her to go ahead and take it too.
You good, Kayla? All right, cool. Continuing on, if needed, for oxygen mask to drop down from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Please continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put your mask on first. Please remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Alrighty, folks, we're here for your comfort, but primarily your safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 2-hour 41-minute flight to Denver. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. We're also going to turn off these cabin lights, folks. If you need any additional lights, just look up above you, press that button with the light bulb on it.
Man, we had a flight. I can't even remember where it was. Oh, it was from Key West, from here. It was, we left like 40 minutes late. We still made it on time to the house.
A lot of people don't realize that they can push these like way faster.
Yeah.
Like they usually, the flight time is like based on like fuel and stuff.
Right.
Like they're trying to make the fuel last so many trips.
Yeah.
So like if they're behind time, they can like push it, you know what I mean, faster. They're just gonna burn more fuel. They don't need much. The company just figures like, oh, we're this far behind, like, you know.
Alrighty, folks, you've been clear for departure. Please double check those seatbelts. Make sure they are securely fastened. Enjoy your flight.
There's some money game. That's for sure. There's always a money game. Notice too, and I've learned this just myself, when you come down slow, your head don't hurt. I never had the head popping here. It's because it's changing pressure so fast. Someone will get you like right above the airport and they're like,
My wife's terrible about that. She always can't get her ears to pop.
yeah.
So she hates when we come down fast.
Yeah.
I served on a sub for a little while, so I got like really used to it. Yeah. Like strategies on doing it, you know what I mean? Like this number, like blow and it'll pop your ears and stuff.
Oh thought it was for me because it was a Topo Chico.